Coal India Limited, India's largest coal producer, has formally approved the closure of MJSJ Coal Limited, a step-down subsidiary of Mahanadi Coalfields Limited. Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited, a Navratna CPSE under the Ministry of Railways, has executed a 12,842 crore rupee term loan agreement with Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited to refinance its existing long-term debt. Gas Authority of India Limited has awarded its sixth repeat wind energy order of approximately 100 megawatts to Suzlon Energy Limited, marking a major step in GAIL's renewable energy transition. The project will be executed in Nandurbar district, Maharashtra, supporting GAIL's upcoming petrochemical plant decarbonization goals. Neoen Green Energy Private Limited, the 50-50 joint venture between Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and Sembcorp Green Hydrogen India Private Limited, has secured a significant contract to supply 10,000 tons per annum of green hydrogen to Numaligarh Refinery Limited in Assam. Mahanagar Gas Limited, one of the largest city gas distribution companies in India, reiterates its commitment to ensuring uninterrupted supply of PNG for households and CNG for transport across its geographical areas in Maharashtra and Karnataka. NTPC Limited has been assigned an environmental, social and governance rating of 54 by ESG Risk Assessments and Insights Limited, a SEBI registered ESG rating provider. The company clarified that it did not engage ESG Risk Assessments and Insights Limited for this rating, which was independently prepared based on publicly available data for financial year 2024 to 25. The 60th Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Training Program on Towards Sustainable Urban Mobility in Developing Urban Context, sponsored by the Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, was successfully conducted by the Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited at its HSMI Hostel, AGVC campus from 11th to 23rd March 2026. State-owned telecom operator Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited has entered into a MOU with the Government of Bihar to transfer leasehold rights of 7 residential properties in Delhi for a total consideration of 68.43 crore rupees. Concor is exploring potential collaboration opportunities with global shipping major CMAC GM following a high-level meeting held in Marseille on March 18, 2026. During the meeting, Swaroop highlighted Concor's expanding logistics infrastructure, ongoing customer-centric initiatives, and future growth plans. Indian Oil has announced an increase in the allocation of commercial LPG cylinders across India as part of efforts to strengthen fuel availability for business users. According to the company, an additional 20% allocation of commercial LPG cylinders has been approved, taking the total allocation to 50% of the average monthly requirement.